Hey Totoro, I have a song for you. The cat's up here. She's not happy about the cat being right there. Totoro, my cutie little bird. I love you even when you're being a turd. Totoro. Yeah, you don't like me calling you a turd? Or are you mad at the cat? No, you cannot go attack the cat. What is your problem? This is what I mean. You may be a cute little bird, but sometimes you're also a bit of a turd. Do you need to hear your song again? Totoro, my cutie little bird. I love you even when you're being a turd. Totoro. Okay, Maggie, maybe you should leave because she's like really wanting to attack you. Come on, honey. Get down. Putting the silverware away. Maggie, I love you, but I don't want Totoro getting eaten today, so can you maybe get down? Good girl. There, see? Yep, is that better? Yeah, you put that cat in her place, Mom. Good job. You put her in her place. Now I can attack her while she's on the floor. Yeah, that's what I can do. I can get her while she's on the floor. Look at her. I can see her down there, Mom. You are such a turd. Hey, no. Yeah, you gotta stay up here. That's a good idea. Oh, that's not a good idea? No, I want to attack the kitty. Because I don't like her. Yeah, I don't like her. She gonna eat me, so I gotta eat her first. Yeah, this sounds delicious. Ginger cat. Ginger kitty sounds delicious. Yeah. You really are being a turd. But I love you anyway. Yeah. Love you anyway. Okie dokie. Yeah. Oh, I love you too. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Dork. Dorcas, yep. Are you a Dorcas? Yeah. She's gone from being a turd to being a sweet little birdie who just wants tickles. Just wants tickles. Yeah. No more turd to be seen. Yep. Yep. Because turds don't get tickles, huh? But sweet little birdies do. Sweet little birdies get tickles. Yep.